Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your old messages from your WhatsApp. Before we get started, make sure you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp from your Play Store. So to do that, make sure to watch the video until the end so you do not miss any steps. So the first step is to go to your file manager. Alright, once you are here, all you have to do is go to your internal storage and now go to Android and now go to media and now find com.whatsapp. Here you go. Now all you have to do is click over here and click on WhatsApp once again. Now all you have to do is click on database, and here you can see this is our all deleted message. Now all you have to do is select this all and now copy this. Now let's head back. Now go to backups and you have to paste it over here, and there you go. Now all you have to do is open your WhatsApp and you will see your deleted message recovered. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.